Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can add text to a photo on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Also, do not forget to put your likes and write comments after watching the video. And let me and you get down to this topic. Please open the gallery on your phone. After that, go to Photos and select the photo on which you want to write a text. After that, in the top right corner, click on Edit or else Edit. Now also in the top right corner, click on this marker sign here. And now in the bottom right corner, click on the plus sign and add text. And you'll get a box like this with text that you can drag and drop, for example, anywhere you want. And then if you click on it, you can write what you want to write. After you've written the text, if you just click on the photo, you'll still have the text there. Next, to edit it, click on the text again. And what can you do? You can make it wider or you can make it taller. You can move it to wherever you want it to go. Also, you can change the color of the text, for example. It's always black by default, but you can choose absolutely any color you like. Also, here you can choose whether your text will be bold, slanted, also underline text. Next, you can choose how your text will look like, which side it will be on, and so on. You can also choose the size of your text. And you can choose what font your text will be written in. Once you've made all the changes you want with the text in your photo, you just need to click on Done at the top. Then once again in order to save the modified photo. And as you can see, the photo will be saved with this text on it. Friends, this is the simple way you can add text to a photo on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments. See you soon.